We're approaching another set of traffic light controlled crossroads. So we'd ease off the gas, check the centre right door mirror signal to the right, and we'd position to the right of our lane. Be sure to stop at the first stop line. This is called an advanced stop line, and the second stop line is for cyclists. Now, once again, we need to look at how we'll be positioning to make this right turn. So we need to figure out how far into the junction and how far to the right we can go. At this junction, there aren't any road markings to guide us. So when we enter the junction, we'll creep into the junction and we need to stop just before the center of the new road. So we need to have a look into the new road to establish where the center is. Now we can't position any more further to the right, otherwise we'll be obstructing oncoming traffic. So when we're ready to commit to the turn, that's when we'd start steering. On this occasion, there isn't any oncoming traffic, so we shouldn't stop and we should keep the car moving and make the turn. So regardless of there being oncoming traffic or not, you'd still normally follow the same course to complete the turn. And on completing the turn, checking your mirrors, center, right door, left door, and carry on.